to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2026 BYD SEAL U. The 2026 BYD SEAL U DM-i PHEV stands out as a groundbreaking plug-in hybrid SUV, redefining efficiency, performance, and sustainability. With its sleek ocean-inspired design, advanced hybrid technology, and extended electric range, it offers an ideal balance of style and practicality. Whether for daily commutes or long journeys, this innovative SUV provides an eco-friendly and intelligent driving experience. As BYD continues to push the boundaries of automotive excellence, the SEAL U DM-i PHEV proves to be a smart choice for those seeking a modern, fuel-efficient, and high-tech vehicle. The 2026 BYD SEAL U DM-i features multiple upgrades, including refined exterior aesthetics, enhanced infotainment technology, and improved driving dynamics. The latest model benefits from BYD's Super DM technology, offering an extended electric range and greater energy efficiency. The BYD SEAL U DM-i's interior seamlessly blends luxury, technology, and practicality, creating a sophisticated and comfortable driving environment. From the futuristic floating center console to the premium multifunctional seats and immersive audio system, every detail is designed for an enhanced user experience. With advanced features like intelligent voice control, a rotatable touchscreen, and a panoramic sunroof, the cabin offers both convenience and elegance. Whether commuting in the city or embarking on long journeys, the spacious and well-crafted interior ensures a refined and enjoyable ride for both driver and passengers. The BYD SEAL U DM-i's advanced engine and hybrid technology redefine efficiency and performance in the plug-in hybrid segment. With its Super DM system, high-speed dual motors, and Blade battery, this SUV delivers outstanding fuel economy, extended range, and smooth acceleration. The integration of cutting-edge safety features, intelligent driver assistance, and seamless connectivity enhances both convenience and security. Additionally, the innovative vehicle-to-load technology makes it a versatile companion for both urban and outdoor lifestyles. Whether for daily commuting or long-distance travel, the BYD SEAL U DM-i stands out as a future-ready, high-performance hybrid SUV. The 2026 BYD SEAL U DM-i PHEV is expected to launch in early 2026. While official pricing has yet to be announced, it is anticipated to be competitively positioned in the hybrid SUV market. More details on availability and pricing will be revealed closer to the release date. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.